Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by identifying the exact account you want removed: Google Play linked, game-specific, or a Facebook/Apple login. Once done, backup progress, trigger cloud save or export data, and note your player ID so support can find you. Make sure you have the device and the correct login credentials, plus access to the recovery email. This eliminates delays when you request removal and ensures you can recover content if you change your mind later. You then follow the app's deletion path. Open settings in the game and look for account or privacy options and a delete account button. Tap it and follow prompts, confirming identity as requested. If the game lacks a deletion option, go to Google Play, open the app page, and use Developer Contact to request removal. Make sure to include your player ID, linked email, device model, and a concise reason so the developer can verify ownership and take action without back and forth. Finish by confirming deletion emails and checking the game no longer shows your profile. Developers often take 24 to 72 hours to process requests. If data still appears, unlink the account from Google Play and clear app data. Go to Android Settings App, select Game Storage, Clear Data, then reinstall if needed. If the developer does not respond within 72 hours, escalate to Google Play support with your request thread and player ID so they can assist in enforcing account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.